Today in this video, I'm going to share about the three elements, three things which you should cultivate in your own life. These are so very powerful. Let's understand one by one. The first is passion. Now, passion for the work, that enthusiasm. What happens when you're passionate about something? You keep on doing that stuff. There is an internal drive. You never lack inspiration or motivation. You don't look for external factors. You are just dedicated. So that's what passion does. So do something which you are passionate about, which you feel that internal high or internal fire from within to do that certain work, because that is your calling. That is something which is your natural inclination. So do not neglect it. So just know that you should be passionate about whatsoever you do and put that passion element in every sphere of your life. It's gonna rock. And the second element is compassion. No matter what our job is, no matter what we do, it should come from a point of compassion. It should include everybody to the feeling of, that divine oneness, that belongingness. Suppose we are just passionate about our work and we are not caring about people, and it is not including them. Such passion is going to turn into poison, because it's going to make us more selfish. And when we are selfish, we become more miserable because we are focused on our own self. So the ground should be compassion. That passion should emerge from the compassion. So just have this element of compassion in each and every sphere of your life. Because the purpose of life is to contribute, is to help, is to serve people with our divine gifts. We never know, tomorrow is promised to none of us. And we are the part of the same consciousness. So why not love people? So why not, treasure? Why not share everything? Why not become a giver in life? And share whatsoever, in whatsoever way we can contribute. It's just not that money or something. You can contribute with your time. Just give a listening ear to someone. Just offer your time, offer your, anything which you have, that emotional support or help materially if you can. Do that. So it should come from the compassion. And the third element is dispassion. Yes. Now you must be thinking that you told compassion and now you're saying dispassion. Like, it's very contradictory. Yes, passion without dispassion will make you sick, restless. We don't want that, right? So right amount of passion and right amount of dispassion. Now question will arise that how to know that it is the right amount and how to cultivate that kind of dispassion. You can cultivate that when you realize that you are not the doer. As I almost share in almost most of my video, that we have a divine gift, we have a divine calling, and that is the purpose of our being. So when we are performing something or when we are sharing our message, just know that you are the medium, you are the instrument of the Lord, of the God, of the divine. You are just a medium, you are just an instrument. And when we operate from that place and from that level, you just become so focused and engrossed in that work, and you become an excellent instrument in reality. And again, that is dispassion. That will make you more dispassionate. You won't be anxious or worried that, okay, I'm the one who is doing, so I'm worried about the results, I'm growing, I'm failing. No. Now you know I'm not the doer. The divine is operating through me, and that will help you in becoming more dispassionate. And when you become more dispassionate, that is the ground of creativity. That is the ground of something so powerful and so amazing that it emerges out of such skills in you, such miracles. You become a living miracle. You radiate that energy, that vibration, that people crave for your energy, and you just become completely unsinkable and unstoppable. and a living example of the knowledge that you share with people. This passion is so very powerful. And you come up with such an idea which transforms billions of lives. So include this passion, dispassion, and compassion in your life. This was the message for today. Try to inculcate it in your own life and see how it goes. Lots of love and blessings. Thank you so much for watching this video. And share this video with the world, and let's create a wave of positivity across the globe. And if you have not subscribed, just subscribe to this channel. Kindly do that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.